In this video, we're gonna show you the basics 20 command line. So, let's begin. Number 1, dir. So sa dir dito pinapakita lahat ng files inside ng documents. So makikita nyo dito yung activity, Clownfish, League of Legends, NetBeans OS, etc. Number 2, cd, change directory. Moves between folder. Number 3, mkdir. So basically, ang mkdir, nagkreate lang siya ng folder. Number 4, rd, remove directory. So sa rd, ang ginagawa nito ay dinidelete niya yung folder na mga walang laman. Number 5, del. So basically, del used to delete a file inside the folder. Number 6, rmdir/s/q. So sa rmdir/s/q, dinidelete niya yung file, dinidelete niya yung folder saka yung laman nito. Number 7, copy. It makes copy of a file. Number 8, move. Moves a file to another folder. Number 9, rend. It changed the folder name. Number 10, type. So sa number 10, type, ang ginagawa nito, ina-open niya yung file without opening in the folder.
Number 11, cls. Okay, enter. Nawawala yung command prompt screen. Next, number 12, exit. And yan. As you can see, nawala yung command prompt window. Next, number 13, ver. As you can see, pinapakita nito yung version ng Windows na gamit. Ito, version 10.0. Next, number 14, task list. Yan. Dito makikita mo yung listahan ng all active programs. Dito lahat makikita. Ayan. Next, number 15, cd ... did that nag-move siya ng isang directory level. Next is 16 ipconfig. And as you can see, napakita dito yung IP and network settings ng PC. Ayan. Next is ping. Dito nagtitest ng connection. Check dito if yung site or network is reachable, kung nare-reach ba. Next is netstat. Sa netstat, ito yung mga network connections. Dito nakalagay yung mga active network connections ng TCP. Yan. Lahat yan active connections. Next, number 19 is echo. Type mo lang echo, then any word na gusto mo. Ako hello world. Ayan, enter. Ayan, nandito na siya. Labas na hello world. And last, number 20, time. Ayan. Type time. And dito pwede mo siyang, or pwede ka maglagay ng time na gusto mo or new time. It depends sa'yo kung ano oras yung gusto mo. Yan. Ganun lang. That's all. Thank you. Peace out.